If Akeredolu is not careful, I will enter Ondo, Nyesom Wike threatened. Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has warned that he may be forced to get involved directly in the Ondo State governorship election should the ruling All Progressive Congress drag him into their politics. Wike, chairman of the People Democratic Party (PDP) National Campaign Council in the just concluded governorship election in Edo State, issued the warning while reacting to the comments by his Ondo State counterpart, Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, who accused him of being the godfather of Rivers politics. Governor Akeredolu had, in a statement by Donald Ojogo, Commissioner for Information and Orientation in Ondo State, said the people of the state will resist Wike's attempt to play the role of a godfather in Ondo. But Wike, who maintained that he has no ambition to be a godfather to any politician, said he won't hesitate to campaign with the achievement of his party, the PDP. First of all, I don't want to believe that Akeredolu can make such a statement. He does not have what it takes to make such a statement. Godfather of what and for who? Who are the ones fighting against godfatherism? The question is that, have you, Akeredolu, done well for your people and my party? Is saying no. You have not done well, and I believe so. Therefore, I am saying that Ondo people should protect their votes. They should repeat what happened in Edo. I still want to doubt that Akeredolu said that against me, and I am going to enter and look for that newspaper and read to be sure he did not say that. I want to see that he, Akeredolu, declared Wike personnel non grata. He knows he can't try that. If he tries it, then he is going to get into trouble. If they are not careful, I will be in Ondo. Wike warns. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, you see, Nyesom Wike has just proven himself to be worthy of any accusation. And that is what should be seen in any leader. You understand? See, let me tell you something. It's not all about heading a post or heading a position, but it's all about heading and knowing what you are heading. Some people ascend a position for their own selfish purpose and not for the purpose of serving the masses. Most of our politicians today, they ascend the post that they are today because of their own selfish reason. And they ascend the position they are today because of their wickedness. They just want to achieve it alone. They just want to get it and go away. And that is why our people keep suffering unjustly. You understand? So, Nyesom Wike knows what he's saying. If you watch it very well, not quite long, Akeredolu's son was accused of embezzlement. And this is happening in almost all our governors and presidents. It is either you hear that the nephew embezzled or the son embezzled. How can they be giving their own children access to the state treasury? Unto what? And why? Why? This is a public treasury. So why would they be doing that? For what reason? My viewers, Wike knows what he's saying. Yesterday, Akeredolu was seen in the video distributing 200 naira notes publicly. Why? Is it not a tactics of buying votes? He knows he's not capable. That is why he's doing it in that way. My viewers, our politicians will never change. They know how to win the heart of the people, but I've said it and I'll say it before that the people must be focused. Nyesom Wike have already said it, that the people of Ondo must do it the way the people of Edo people has just done it. They should be sincere. They should be focused and vote rightly. They should not allow themselves to be bought with a token naira. Because if they allow themselves to be bought with a token naira, they will be the one to suffer it at the end. These people are giving you this naira in order to steal your naira for life and use it to get themselves established. Don't forget, your vote is your future. Don't sell your franchise. You understand? Don't sell it. Do you understand? Vote based on personality, credibility, and transparency. Okay? That is what you should do. Alright? So don't be carried away in any way. Don't allow yourself to be pushed. Be straightforward. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is their lifestyle. So my viewers, with what you've just heard, what is your take? What's your observation? Please, you do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.